Hi Dr. Asif. How to increase stamina through proper breathing techniques during outdoors like running, cycling, hiking, trail running and mountain biking. Can you please give us some tips please?
We feel a lot tired in the performance grounds because we don't take seriously when we are on the practice grounds. Practice makes a man perfect. So we have to practice a lot. And better breathing and deep breathing needs a lot of practice. Remember. So today we are going to discuss about the art of some basics about the art of deep breathing. When I say deep breathing, that means a real deep breath that really extends this area upwards. So once you fill air inside your tummy area, then try to inhale from this area. Your both hands on your tummy and try to breathe from your tummy. Do not move your rib cage. Breathe from here. Pull from here. Practice and count till 10. You master the technique of filling your tummy with the air, then further fill it, top it up with this rib cage. Hold it for a while. First exhale the top of air and then exhale the air that you accumulated here like this. This is one technique that is called breathing from this abdominal area, extending your abdominal area for breathing. Another technique that you must learn today and make a commitment to yourself to practice it, that is that close one of your nostrils and start breathing. Again, tummy and then your rib cage. And then exhale it. And do it in alternate fashion. Do it from the other nostril as well. Inhale, stop, count, and then exhale. Some might say that one of our nostrils is not working. So practice it a little bit. If you don't have a nasal problem or if you don't have a DNS, deflection of nasal septum, you can master the technique. As I always say, every technique needs patience and practice. Do practice a lot and it will really increase your stamina during the outdoors. So continue watching us for more videos on transformation and a better and active lifestyle. Thank you very much. If you like the tips, just hit the subscribe button and keep watching the tips towards a healthy lifestyle and towards the transformation. Thank you very much.